Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I have the answer. Dividend policy actually regulate what pays dividend to its holders. It is essential as it will influence investor decisions. There are 4 steps which we can follow if we invest
Audio Jungle.
Hi, let us tell you. There are so many factors to consider, but we will highlight only 6. So Iman, what's the other 3?
Tell you next, the company should analyze in which stage it currently is in the growth prospect.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
It's easy. So we have 3 types of dividend policy. The first one is constant payout ratio policy, the second one is regular dividend policy, and the third one is low regular and extra dividend policy.
one is stock dividend. Instead of cash, the company can also pay using stock or shares. The reason for company to do so is because the company may not have sufficient cash to pay the dividend, or the company simply wants to accelerate its sales of stock.
I will explain about the first one, which is residual theory of dividend. This theory suggests that dividend should only be paid using the excess profit after taking into account the future investment opportunities and its capital structure. Therefore, there is no need for the dividend policy to exist. If company has extra profit, then only it consider dividend payment.
That's right. Another irrelevant theory would be Miller and Modigliani (M&M theory), whereby they mention that in perfect market, value of firm is not affected by dividends payment. This is due to the fact that firm's value is defined by its power and risk of asset investment. Another reason would be that the shareholders would receive what they expect due to clientele effect. Therefore, we strongly support the irrelevant theory of dividend.
Thank you. According to Gordon's model, or also known as dividend valuation model, it suggests that shareholders receive dividend when they are received. Thus, by giving dividends, it will reflect lower risk on the shareholders that are risk averse. Therefore, they will lower their required return, and the effect is that it will boost the market price of the share. My friend Kura will further explain how it works.
Hazim, the theory in which Hazim and explain is so popular that it's called bird in the hand argument. Using the simplest model in dividend valuation method, which is zero growth model, the formula is as follows. Reducing the required return, we will therefore be able to increase the market price of the shares. It is beneficial for both the company and the shareholders. Hence, we think that relevant theories of dividend is very convincing for the company.
After the hearing of all the statements from both sides, it is equally convincing for me. Therefore, it is very hard to reach to only a winning party. With that, I respect both statements and give equal rights to both sides to further argue in the future. Thank you.